If your Steam application keeps crashing on PC, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and restart your PC. As simple as it sounds, it is exactly as effective. The first thing you want to do is restart your PC, which does solve a lot of problem. If it doesn't, then simply go ahead and close your Steam application and try to reopen it. Again, if that doesn't work, you want to simply press Windows plus R, which is going to give you the run command right over here. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and type percentage local app data percentage and then press OK. This is going to open up this storage unit right over here. Now you want to simply go ahead and look for the Steam tab, and here you can simply go ahead and delete this. This is the cache of Steam, so when you simply go ahead and delete this, it should go ahead and solve all your problems. However, if this still doesn't solve your problem, you might have no other option but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.